Hi, my name is Isaac Hendricks. I'm a part of the building property maintenance vocation. And one thing that we do here is we do a whole bunch of different type of framing. We get a little bit of every trade pretty much in this voc.
Yeah, my name is Devani. Welcome to building and property maintenance. And one thing I really like doing in this voc is that we get to get a lot of hands-on work, and we get a lot of experience doing a bunch of different tiling, framing, metal framing, wood framing, all types of that. And then we get to do a lot of work around the school, like help people put up shelves, fix little cracks in the doors and all that good stuff.
How's it going? My name is Mr. DeVoe. I'm the instructor for juniors and seniors in building and property management. This is my 5th year teaching. Typically our students, when they graduate, will go into different career paths. I had a couple students go into the painters union, they can go into the carpenters union. We had a couple students that went to North Bennett School for carpentry, so it's not just going out into industry, they can go to higher education. I have a student that's going to Wentworth for architecture next year. Lots of different places you can go coming out of the shop.